makes this biryani so special is the rice, the Siraga Samba rice, the small grained rice, which is easy on the stomach for digestion. And the color of this biryani, the reddish orange color, comes from the red chili paste, which is added in the preparation of this biryani. So I have here this is the brinjal, right? Let me add the brinjal, little bit of the brinjal, right? And the raita, little raita. So I'm trying the Ambur biryani for the first time, guys. Mm. The biryani has a very subtle flavor. I can smell the uh, fresh coriander, fresh mint, and this is so good. It's not a very complicated flavor. Very moist, guys. The biryani is very moist, and the chicken is so juicy. You don't need raita or the brinjal gravy because the rice, you can see the rice is very moist, guys. It's a very moist rice, and then you can just eat it by itself. This rice it's very easy to swallow. It's very easy on your mouth, and it's very soft. It just, once you have it in your mouth, it just disappears. It's very easy, guys. It's so nice. My lunch. Let me show you guys the sweet. I think it's a bread halwa. This is after my lunch. So thank you guys for watching. So this is Ambur biryani. My rating is 10 out of 10 because I love it. And if you are in Ambur, or if you are in India, if you are in Dubai, please try the Ambur biryani. It will not disappoint you, and it just smells so good. Um, Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on another video, and stay blessed.